My guy was super excited.
I guess that speaks for itself, bro.
Oh my god!
Whoa, look at this roller coaster.
This is color!
Look at the colors, bro.
This is color!
What colors do you see?
I see yellow, blue, purple, yellow.
Woo! What about there? Look at the back.
Look, blue, green, purple.
Whoa, look at this laser. Look at the laser.
Look, Daddy. They work.
Whoa, look at the finger thingies. Look at the finger thingies.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's by your head. Yes way. Yes way.
No way.
Yes way.
Look.
Ooh, the finger thingies. Whoa, the laser spray in the back of the truck. Whoa, wow, whoopsie.
Look.
Colors, what color do you see?
Red.
Whoa, red. Now the super magnetic blower is gonna make us move. Magic.
Look.
Ooh, the blower thingy. Now what about that over there? See it's red?
We're stop.
That means stop. Still says wait.
Yeah.
Still says wait. Uh-oh.
Let's go!
We can go now!
Look. He's dancing.
That's freaking awesome, son.
What? You
God.
see that?
My bad. I didn't cuss. That wasn't a cuss word. Now guess what we get to do? We get to vacuum.